We also have stipulations from Colorado that the plaintiff is willing to work with all people, regardless of classifications such as race, creed, sexual orientation, and gender, right?
In some respects, yes, but
No, that is the stipulation. I just read it. You disagree with that? It's the stipulated fact in this case?
that is stipulated, but it's also clear that she will not provide any wedding website for a same-sex couple.
Well, for a same-sex wedding, and she wouldn't provide it to a heterosexual couple either, right?
But that's still discrimination within the meaning of...
Just as she wouldn't sell a website that celebrates a heterosexual union that she disagreed with to anyone, regardless of their sexual orientation, right?
That may be right, Justice Gorsuch, but I think Masterpiece couldn't have been clearer in saying that declining to sell goods or services, even expressive goods and services, for a same-sex wedding is a form of status-based discrimination properly within the scope of public accommodations laws.
On that, I just want to make sure I understand. Do we agree as well that this work that the plaintiff performs is expressive in nature?
We do.
Okay. Thank you.
And if it's expressive, what about my photograph hypothetical?
So I didn't belabor this at the beginning, Justice Jackson, but your photograph hypothetical is exactly the sort of implication of the arguments that petitioners are advancing that are of concern to the United States. We really do think it's very difficult, if you accept her principle, is it speech and does the speaker believe the message has changed, to say that someone who is doing that would not be entitled under her theory to an exemption from the public accommodations laws. And we think that's a very sweeping accommodation that's inconsistent with the court's admonition in Masterpiece Cake Shop that any sorts of carve-outs in these areas have to be carefully cabined to avoid undermining the government's compelling interest in ensuring that all Americans have equal access to the public market.
And so